Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot P50 and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started you'll need to grab a cable that is plugged into your computer. So there we go, that's mine. And once you have that ready, you will then want to power off your phone. So hold power key, select power off. And when the phone turns off, you want to hold volume up only. So right there, volume up. And while holding that key, plug in the cable. Now you will see the boot mode from here. So you can unplug the cable. Now using only volume up, you want to select first option, which is recovery mode. Confirm it then with volume down. Once you see the Android with no command, hold power key and press volume up once. This will then redirect you to recovery mode, and from here, using both volume keys to navigate, as you can see, you want to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Now once this is finished, you can then confirm it once more, once the reboot system not selected by default, and this will now bring you back to Android. Okay, so as you can see, we're now back in Android, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.